we are on video number 2, and in this video what we are going to do is to learn how to pot a ball through these 4 balls. As you can see, the toughness of the shot or the difficulty of the shot shows itself. You have to place a blue ball on its spot. Again, put 2 reds as close as possible. This time don't leave a distance between them, almost touching those balls, blue ball, less than a quarter of a centimeter distance between them. Place your white ball in line with the blue ball, and then now what we are going to do is we are going to place the white ball and 2 reds across on the other side of the red white ball, 2 reds on the either side of the white ball. And now what we are going to achieve is we are going to hit in the center, try to stop the white ball and see if we can hit it in the center. It's a very difficult task, very difficult task. Now you can see my white balls. How you're going to check if it's in the center? You can see that you place any ball there, and you can see it will be straight in line with the object ball you just potted. So make sure you are on the center of this ball and keep doing it again and again. If you are finishing, if you have an unintentional side, you might finish slightly on the right side or on the left side. If it's happening, don't stop, keep doing it, and don't move to the next spot, which I am just going to show you. Straight. Now what you're gonna do is, again you're gonna place white ball aligned with the yellow ball, almost straight. Don't put too much distance between the reds and the object ball, and then again try to hit it in the center. If you hit it in the center, you will see your white ball is finishing exactly where you are intending. If it's not, then keep trying it, keep playing it, keep doing it again and again and again. Once you have done it, you should move to the pink ball. Now it is a very pink spot actually. Now what you can do is you can just place any ball. In this case I'm placing a yellow ball to set it up. Again, same practice, same drill, and we are going to try to hit as soft as possible and try to play a stun shot. If you are facing problem, make sure you keep doing it again and again and don't stop. You can see. Okay, once you've played it, try to place, make sure you keep testing it as well, that if you are having any problem, then you must redo it. What we can do is I'm just gonna play a push shot. I'm gonna play a push shot just to check if the balls were straight or not, and you can see they were almost potted in a straight line. So do this testing on your cueing and aiming. If you're still having a problem, contact me, join my online coaching course, get one-to-one training sessions with me, and download my AQ Snooker Mentor application, mobile application that is available on Google Play Store. Follow me on TikTok. If you want to invite me to your city, to your country, I do travel. If you want to ask any question, please make sure you contact me.